Mark lives in a quiet street in a small town. Every morning he walks to work. He passes a small shop, but he never goes inside. The shop has a green door and one small window. In the window, Mark sees sandwiches, apples, milk, and flowers. The shop looks warm and friendly. One Monday morning, Mark is late. He wants breakfast, but his kitchen is empty. There is no bread. There is no coffee. There is only one old apple. Mark looks at the small shop. He thinks, "Today I can go in." He opens the green door. A little bell rings. Inside, the shop smells of fresh bread. There are shelves with tea, rice, fruit, and cookies. A woman stands behind the counter. She has kind eyes. "Good morning," she says. "Good morning," Mark says. "I need a sandwich and coffee, please." The woman smiles. "Of course. My name is Lena. This is my shop." "My name is Mark," he says. Lena gives him a fresh sandwich. Then she points to the coffee. "This coffee is good. Many people like it." Mark takes the coffee. He sees a small table near the window. On the table, there are 3 cups and a plate of cookies. "Do people sit here?" Mark asks. "Yes," Lena says. "Some people sit and talk. Some people drink tea. It is a small shop, but it is also a friendly place." Mark looks at his watch. He is late, but he feels calm. "Can I have one coffee now?" he asks. "Yes," Lena says. Mark sits at the small table. He drinks coffee and eats one cookie. The coffee is hot. The cookie is sweet. Outside, people walk quickly in the street. An old man comes into the shop. He buys milk. Then he sees Mark. "Good morning," the old man says. "Good morning," Mark says. The old man sits at the table. "I am Victor," he says. "I come here every day." Mark smiles. "I live near here, but this is my first time." Victor laughs. "Then welcome." They talk for 10 minutes. They talk about the town, the weather, and the best sandwiches in the shop. Mark feels happy. It is a simple morning, but it feels new. Then Mark stands up. "I must go to work now." Lena puts the sandwich and coffee in a paper bag. "Have a good day, Mark." "Thank you," Mark says. "I will come again." At work, Mark eats the sandwich at lunch. It is fresh and good. He thinks about the small shop. He thinks about Lena and Victor. He thinks, "I do not know many people in my street, but maybe I can." The next morning, Mark goes to the small shop again. This time he is not late. He opens the green door and the little bell rings. Lena smiles. "Good morning, Mark." Victor is already at the table. There is an empty chair. Mark buys coffee and sits down. Outside, the street is busy. Inside, the small shop is warm. Mark looks at the green door, the window, and the friendly faces. He smiles and says, "This is a good place." And from that day, the small shop is part of his morning.